An important part of finishing your book is adding a cover. If you're planning to make an ebook file, you can add a pre-built cover by going to Book Info and uploading a cover image. Often, people will make their cover images using Canva or similar design software. Take care to follow the recommended dimensions for the cover image, and upload an image of your choice here, and then click Save to add your custom cover. If you'd like to make a cover for your PDFs that include the front cover, the spine, and the back cover, you can use the Pressbooks Cover Generator tool. To find that, go to Export Cover Generator. This tool allows you to make both an ebook cover and a print-ready PDF cover, including the front, spine, and back of the book. The tool is built into Pressbooks directly and automatically uses correct dimensions based on the number of pages in your most recent export. You can enter placeholder text or the text that you desire, as well as some about content, an ISBN if you have one, or an SKU, and then make some small adjustments, including adding an image, the title case, and some colors for the text typeface. Once you've made the choices that you want and are ready, you can click the Make PDF Cover or Make eBook Cover to generate files that you can use for both printing or for uploading and using as your book cover.